Hi all, welcome to new video for Ladder series. In this video, we are going to see how we can extend the existing template for the card view. So for that, let's navigate to our custom shift request view card view inside our VS Code. Inside, okay, our custom map and CBB shift request. Okay, when we check the HorillaCardView parent view, there you can see a template name for generic Horilla card. So it's later overridden by the theme app. So instead of this one, this is the original template that for the version 1 Horilla. So now it's using the Horilla card template from the Horilla theme. When you check the Horilla theme over here, okay, inside the templates, and there will be on generic folder. Yeah, generic. Here's the Horilla card. So this is the actual template now HorillaCardView is using. So let's extend this template into our custom shift request view. For that, we have to provide the template name, and inside that we have to provide the path to the custom card template. So I'm going to create a template just inside the template folder. Yeah, like shift cards .html. And if I provide like reset like this and map the template with our custom shift request, shift cards .html. Okay, now let's restart the server. Okay, Python manager viewer run server. Okay, now after the server start, let's check it inside our Horilla application. Yeah, let's refresh. Here we can see the reset page object is now visible over here. From here, you can use your custom template like with source. Okay, it's list view. Then here's a template. Okay, inside the page items, you will get you will get all the individual instances. What is it? Let's use request for no. Let's use different name. Instance. Okay, now let's refresh inside the web browser. So you can see let's make it as a UL LI HTML language. Okay, inside the UL we're going to create the LF tab. Inside that we are going to put the instance, so it will show like each item. Here you can see each record. So using this custom template, you can override or create your own template, or you can simply copy paste all the existing code from Horilla card template, and we can paste it over here. When you refresh over here, you can see now the template is using the same word, but from different template. Then from here you can make your adjustment. So that's how you extend the card template for HorillaCardView. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts for this, you can add it inside comments. Thank you for watching.